Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm diving into a crucial word that can boost your GRE verbal score annul. Yep, you heard it right, annul. It's a powerful verb that you definitely want in your vocabulary arsenal. So, let's break it down. First things first, what does annul mean? Annul means to declare something invalid or ineffective. Think of it as hitting the reset button. For example, a court can annul a marriage, which means it declares the marriage null and void, as if it never happened. Cool, right? Now why is annul important for the GRE? The GRE loves to test your understanding of word meanings and context. Knowing words like annul can help you not just in the verbal section, but also in understanding complex reading passages and writing essays. It's all about precision and clarity, which annul brings to the table. Let's see annul in action with some sample sentences. 1. The contract was annulled due to a breach of terms. 1. The Supreme Court decision effectively annulled the previous ruling. 1. In ancient times, kings had the power to annul laws they deemed unjust. Notice how in each case, annul is used to show the act of making something invalid or void. This way, you can confidently use it in your essays or when deciphering text completions and sentence equivalence questions. Alright, now let's talk about some synonyms. Words like invalidate, nullify, void, and cancel can often be used interchangeably with annul. However, each has its own slight nuance. For example, invalidate often refers to rendering something legally ineffective, while nullify can imply making something lose its value or effect. Understanding these subtle differences can give you an edge on the GRE. And hey, don't just memorize the word, practice it. Try to use annul in your day-to-day conversations or writing. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Write a mini essay or even a short story where you have to annul something. It can be fun and super helpful. Remember, building a robust vocabulary is key to GRE success. Every word you learn is a tool in your toolkit, and the more tools you have, the better prepared you'll be. So there you have it. Annul, a small word with a big impact on your GRE prep. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and smash that GRE. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more GRE tips and tricks. See you next time. This is your channel name signing off.